In this lesson, we will move into the practical methods of product research, examining both free approaches and paid tools. Product research tools like Helium, 10, or Jungle Scout can definitely make the process faster and more efficient, but as a new seller, you might not feel comfortable investing a large amount of money right away, and that is completely normal. That is why in the first part of this lesson, I will show you several free methods you can use to discover profitable products on Amazon without relying on paid tools. These methods not only save money in the beginning, but also help you learn how to analyze the marketplace manually. This hands-on practice will give you a deeper understanding of how Amazon works for both customers and sellers and how different categories perform. After covering free methods, we will then move on to the popular product research tools. These tools can simplify the process and provide detailed insights, but they should be seen as supporting aids. By combining what you have learned from manual research with the data from paid tools, you will know how to interpret the results with confidence instead of blindly following them. This step-by-step approach will also help you build confidence and sharpen your judgment. By the time you use paid tools, you will already understand what makes a product viable, which means you can filter out misleading data and focus only on real opportunities. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clear framework for discovering, screening, and validating product ideas, and you will also begin creating a shortlist of potential products that can later be refined into strong candidates for your first Amazon launch.